So welcome back. So many of you have asked me about this TV mount. So this is the ZiboZap outdoor TV mount. As you can see here, it's built out with this strap and also this ratchet. All right. So some of you have asked if this TV mount can actually bear the weight of this TV. You have said that this ratchet and strap would not bear the weight of this TV. Well, let me tell you this. Okay, I have a 32-inch TV right here. It's really heavy. I mean, not that heavy, but it's heavy. And I have mounted this TV mount for about 2 days now, and yeah, it's really good. And let me show you this, man. Okay, I am even hanging on this TV mount, and nothing happens to this strap and ratchets. It's really strong. You do not have to make any holes, any drills, no holes, and you can now mount your TV onto any type of pillars. And it's really easy to mount this TV, and using this TV mount, check out my video on this, and it takes about like few minutes, and you could do this yourself. So do check out this TV mount on our website, and do get yours right now.